generated huge affection in this city, and you know, it was wonderful to see his widow there getting that #1 pick, and you know, I only wish the best for that franchise.
All right, what is the...
I also want to congratulate Bill Newcomb and Larry Baer for building such an extraordinary franchise. I want to welcome, obviously, in the regular season, Matt Cain through the franchise's first perfect game with a record-tying 14 strikeouts. Exercising their franchise makes no sense. It is their 5th cup overall, more than any other franchise in MLS.
God is not a McDonald's franchise.